You guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about how red light therapy, how it may offer potential benefits to us humans and animals, actually dogs too, and cats, whatever, any animal you're thinking of right now. How this beautiful technology can affect us at a cellular level. We're going deep, no pun intended. Let's get into it. This is some beautiful stuff. Mitochondria. This is a word you guys need to remember. Our mitochondria are the powerhouse systems of our cells. They are the ones that are going to tear down all those negative and dark and gross and toxic cells, feeding and providing for the other cells in the body to do what they're supposed to do. That's just one of the aspects, but just keep that in mind. Mitochondria, very important. There's a big funny word here. ATP, adenosine triphosphate.
So ATP, again, for those of you that remember biology class, it's the energy currency of the cell. So we use that to create cellular energy so the cells can perform its purposes. The cool thing about red light therapy, whether it be from a red light panel or from the sun, as opposed to getting it from the electrons and it going through all these processes, science has actually found that red light will skip all that and go right to spinning the ATPase, which is at the end of the chain where we create ATP. So basically, in simplistic terms, it's been proven to be a much more efficient way to create energy, because when we're going down the food route, when all those electrons are going across, that has potential to create things that are called like reactive oxygen species, and that can lead to inflammation, things like that. More on that on another time. Science is suggesting that red light is a more efficient way to generate ATP.
When you include your mitochondrial function, your whole body is just performing at its most optimal capacity. I mean, the cells just function better all around. They repair themselves quicker, they regenerate faster, they detoxify themselves. Autophagy and apoptosis.
So basically what those two terms are, in simplistic terms, is cellular cleanup. Like what Brett was saying, regeneration and getting rid of dysfunctional cells. So autophagy is when you have dysfunctional cells and healthy cells will locate them and eat them, therefore making the healthy cells even stronger and getting rid of dysfunctional, unhealthy cells, which ultimately can lead to disease. And apoptosis is when the cell is so far gone that it actually gets programmed to eviscerates itself, knowing that it's going to potentially cause damage and potentially lead to disease down the road. These two things are triggered within the mitochondria. So therefore, having healthy mitochondria means that those things are going to be going on. So you're just going to be efficient at cellular, like house cleaning, getting rid of all the bad stuff. You need healthy mitochondria for this to occur, and red light can help with that.
So basically, we all need a little bit more red light therapy in our lives, because if it's going to increase our production of ATP and our mitochondrial function, we're just going to perform at the most optimal level as a human. Today I was learning about red light therapy on the cellular level. I love you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.